One Nigeria has happened to OPM in Lagos. One Nigeria don't happen to him in Lagos, and it's a very painful thing. Even me, I'm not happy for what I'm seeing online. One Nigeria have happened to our brother. It's a very painful thing. You people have seen what the Lagos state governor don't do OPM in Lagos. They demolish his church and his school, free school where this man built in Lagos. They done demolition. Take it from him. Take it from him with political power. Then take it from him because it's Omo Igbo. Since last year, Tinubu become the president of Nigeria. They are demolishing houses, demolishing shops of Igbos. Any estate they come, 90% of people that have shop and property there will be Igbos. 80 or 90, they will just take it, demolish it, no compensation. Why then give OPM 120,000 naira, 120 million naira for a property that worth 900 million naira? Why then give him that money? Because OPM is popular. Yes, if OPM is not popular, they will not give him shushing. They will take it, demolish everywhere. If you come out, security is there, they will beat you. That is what the Lagos state governors are doing to Igbos in Lagos. And the Igbos, if believe, they will still building houses there, buying mansions. Zombie Igbos. Because if you are a Igbo, we have sense, you will use what happened to others. We learn lesson. Ojuku warn you people, but you know they are not. Ojuku warn you people, but you people are not hearing. You people think that we are wise. We are wisest tribe in Nigeria. Who's wise? Who's wise? Something will happen to your forefathers. We will not teach you lesson. And you will see others now. They will still buy land 1 billion naira, 500 million naira. They will still buy land. They are building houses and the investment. After everything, they will take it from you. You will not do anything. Because the government, they are using political power. They are using political power. Yes. They are doing, and Yorubas are doing this thing, but they are using it under political so that you cannot do anything. Because if say an individual is doing this thing now, it will bring more trouble. But now government to do them. Will you fight government? They know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. And been telling you people should stop doing any investment there. Stop it. They are not practicing one Nigeria. But you people know they hear. When I see what they are doing to Igbos sometimes, they think they pay me. So, I want to ask Pastor OPM Church question. Sir, as Lagos State Governor have demolished your church, demolished your free school where you build in Lagos in Yoruba land, would you still buy another land in that place and build that free school and church? Or maybe if you want to buy, will you buy it in a big way to build school, build church and the free school, something like that? Listen to me, I'm telling you people something, but Igbos know they hear. Anything you are building in Lagos, as long as you are an Igbo man or woman, build some more. If they damage it, you can leave it them. You can leave it to them. There are a lot of tribalism going on in Yoruba land. Listen to me. This man that owned Lagos landmark, we saw how they demolish something that worth 30 million US dollar. Then destroy all of them. Because the man is Igbo man, Omo Igbo. I'm telling you people, that is nothing like one Nigeria. I don't understand. Amalamu ubonini ife gemendibo kandibo malife. I don't know. Demolition, and all the places that demolition, 80% of the owners of the property there is Igbos. 80 or 90% of people where have houses and do investment there, they are Igbos. OPM pastor then give her 120 million naira for compensation, something like that. But that property worth 900 million naira. Then give him 120 million naira. Why they give him money? Because the man is popular. Yes, but others who know they're popular, they destroy their property, they destroy their house, then demolish their houses and their shop. They no give them shushing. Why they give OPM pastor? Because the man is popular. He's popular, so they will give him. So let this look like government are compensating those that they are destroyed their property, but they are not compensating anything. They are not compensating anything. I'm telling Igbos, you people are not hearing. Anything you want to build in Lagos, build it in small way. Anytime they want to take it, let them take it. The other time, either last 5 months ago or 8 months ago, we had what they said, that all the Igbos will leave Lagos and all their property they use the money buy, they will leave it for Yorubas. That is the protest they want to do. The other time, there is nothing like one Nigeria. You people are not hearing. There is nothing like one Nigeria. The other pastor, a popular pastor in Yoruba land, they called him meeting. In Yoruba land, they called him meeting. He went that place, and they are doing plan against the Igbos. That Igbos have bought all the places in Lagos. They are doing meeting how they will collect it back from them. And the pastor told them, no, I will not join this kind of meeting. I'm not in support of this evil. The pastor left the meeting, and the pastor came online and said, government do not do anything. Because now tribalism is ruling this country, both in Christianity. Tribalism is in Christianity. That is not a Christianity. Tribalism is everywhere. Pastor OPM, sorry for what they did to you. Pastor OPM, sorry for what they do to you. Sorry. It's a very pity. They pain me. But what can I do? I cannot do anything. It's paining me. Sorry. But only advice I can give to you. If you want to build anything in Yoruba land, the Lagos land, please build small. Anytime they want to take it, let them take it. That is the only thing I can tell you. Don't spend millions, billions, millions of naira in Lagos. Spend small money when anytime they want to take it, you can leave it for them. Because all these people are building mansions in Lagos, spending billions of naira, building heaven and earth on Lagos. Time will come, if they not collect them now, they will collect it from your children's children. If they not collect them now, in next 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, they will collect it. If you think you have connection, when that time will reach, you know that your connection will not save you. If you think that you are popular now, when that time will reach, you know that you may not be popular like this now. Everything will change. They will take it from you, and you will go to government. Government will not do anything because government is in support of this evil. Look at children. Children is outside. Look at them. Children cannot go to school anymore. Free school. Free school. Look at it. Free education that OPM is doing in Yoruba land. Look at it. They demolish it. Government are doing anything they want to do because I said that these people are vampires. They don't care. They don't care who you are. Because of, let me not go that side because I'm not happy. Look at children. They are not going to school anymore. Yes, some of them are crying. Free school, OPM building Yoruba land. They are collecting it from him. They use political power to collect it from him. They use political power. Yes, they are collecting properties of Igbos in Lagos. And the Igbos are there. That one concern them. Look at the school. They build everything. They are collecting it from him. And the man is shouting, talking. Nobody will speak. Our eastern governors, they cannot speak. One Nigeria have happened to Pastor OPM. One Nigeria have happened to him. Yes. May God have mercy upon us, and may God give Igbos wisdom so that Igbo can so that Igbos will have blend well. Yes, I'm not telling you to not do your business in Lagos. Yes, but if you have 5 property, build 4 in this east, build 1 in Lagos. If they want to take it, you can leave it for them because I know say they must take it. I say it. That man will have a landmark in Lagos. You see what they do to that man. They no compensate that man. They no give that man. They demolish all of them. Take it. One Nigeria have happened to that man. One Nigeria have happened to him. And some of the Igbos, some of them spend 500 million naira, 1 billion naira do investment. After everything, the Yorubas are take it. But the way they are doing it, as I said before, they are using political power. They are using political way to take those property back from Igbos. Yes, because if individual come to take it, it will cause war. But they are using political power. Then they under government doing this evil they are doing. Because the other time, the individual said that they will let Igbos leave Lagos. When Igbos will leave Lagos, all the houses, all the shops, all their investment, they will leave it in Lagos and go. Individual. And that kind of thing will cause war. Yes. When individual will take this kind of action, when they will take this kind of action, it will bring war. Yes, yes, but they are doing it through politics so that it will not cause war. Only thing I will say, Pastor OPM, sorry for what happened to you on a Wutemu, is paying me, because you are a good man that helping everybody. You are not doing tribalism. You are helping both Hausa, both Yoruba, both Igbo, both Niger Delta people, TV, do anywhere you dey help humanity. But you see what they do to you. Sorry for that. You see what they do for you. Nigeria don't happen to you. One Nigeria have happened to you. Na tribalism. Yes, you know, so most of you people where get money, where they control billions of naira, you people don't believe in all this tribalism where we are talking. Yes.